success is predictable. Success is predictable. Success is not luck. Success is not an experiment. You can predict success. I'm going to prove that in a minute. Success is designed by God to be predictable. But I want to quickly say the antithesis also is true. Failure is also predictable. Write it down. Now here is a paradox. Success is predictable, so you can literally plan success. I am successful today in my life, globally impacting millions of people, because I made a decision as a teenager as to what I want to be and do. What made me successful? I'm going to give you the answer now. And it's the same reason why people fail. Success is predictable, and success is predictable because life is designed for your success. But failure is also predictable because failure is the same result as success. Let me explain what I mean. God designed everything he created to be successful. You will never see a bird who cannot fly naturally. You'll never see a fish who cannot swim naturally. Every seed, if you put it in the ground and give it water, you don't need to pray. It is designed to bring forth a tree. Everything God created has built into it its own success. And if the plant is here today and gone tomorrow, how much more important are you to God? God is more committed to your success than you are. Why? Write this down. Your success is important to God. God needs you to succeed. When I discovered this, I became very bold. I put pressure on God. I discovered this when I was 17 years old. I discovered that God needed me to succeed. Let me explain why. Because success is built in to creation by every manufacturer. Success is important to every manufacturer who makes a product. Some of you have in your lap an iPad. That iPad has a little symbol on it. It's an apple. That apple is the image of the company. Before that image was placed on that company, the company tested the iPad before it left the factory. They made sure that everything necessary for its success was built into it. Stay with me. And the manufacturer took it and put it in a box. Then he put in the box, he covered it up with a book so you can't see it. He hides the product under a book for a reason. He calls the book the manual. The word manual, write it down. The word manu means to make, and al means to think. So manual simply means the maker's mind on paper. When you open the box, you don't see the iPad. You first see the book. And the book always says, before operating this product, please read me completely. How many of you in this room read the book completely? Hold your hand up. Don't tell lies. You know you didn't. We never read that book, which means we don't know the mind of the manufacturer concerning his product. Now that book is simply a book of promises and laws. Write it down. Promises and laws. When you take the manual out, the first thing you will see is a photograph, the image. Then the next page you will see promises. This product will perform like this. This product will perform this. This product is guaranteed to perform this. And they have a long list of promises. But then when you get to the third page, it says, follow these instructions. Obey these laws. Do not operate near open heat. Do not operate underwater. Do not pretend or attempt to open it and fix it yourself. A lot of laws. Do not, do not, do not. Then the next page tells you what to do. And it tells you how to make sure the product succeeds. Then you get to the last 2 pages and you see something strange. First, it gives you what they call a warranty or a guarantee. The manufacturer guarantees that the product will perform exactly what it promises. But then it gives you a warranty. The warranty says, if you obey the laws that are in this book, then we guarantee that this product is under warranty, which means we will personally protect it. Then it says, if there is any defect in this product, do not attempt to fix yourself. Then it says, submit it only to an authorized dealer. Why? There are a lot of dealers, but they ain't authorized. Like Buddha, Muhammad, Confucius, Baha'i Lullah, atheism. A lot of authors around, but they are unauthorized dealers. The only authorized dealers in the world are the ones that the manufacturer sanctions. Like Jesus Christ. Then it says in the book, if this product is defective, put it back in the box, seal it, send it back to us at our expense. We will repair it at our expense. We will ship it back to you at our expense. And if it cannot be fixed, we will replace it with a new one at our expense and ship it at our expense. They're being very nice, aren't they? And the issue is, they don't know you. So they are not doing this because they like you. They don't even know you. Which means they are doing all of that not for your sake. They will defend, protect, replace, repair, restore, not for your sake. They are protecting their name. They are protecting the little apple on the cover. Because they know if the product does not succeed, then their reputation is in trouble. Write the word reputation down in your notes. The word reputation is in the Bible, all through the Bible. Reputation. Let me give you the statement in the Bible for reputation. It is namesake. Namesake. Write it down. Namesake. That's reputation. Everything a manufacturer does is for its reputation, to protect its name. So the success of the product is necessary to protect the reputation of the company. So the worst thing that can happen to a manufacturer is when his product fails. His entire reputation and company can be destroyed. This is why whenever a company sells a product, like a car, and discovers a defect, they send out a massive recall. And they say, bring it in free. We will repair it free. Why? If this doesn't work, our reputation could be destroyed. They don't like you, they like their name. Stay with me now. So success is necessary for the manufacturer. You are a product. And the first thing the manufacturer placed on you is his image. I'm going to scream all by myself right now. The manufacturer says, let us make a product in our image. Oh, come on. If you got the image, lift your hands and shout hallelujah. The first thing he put on you is the most important thing to him. His image. You are just like the manufacturer. That means your failure is bad for God. I have come with good news. The good news is, South Africa, from this day forward, you cannot fail anymore. God has to guarantee your success, not to protect you. God has to make sure that the vision he gives you succeeds because his reputation is on the line. So when you read the Bible, all through the Bible, God would say these to his people. He would say, even though you are stiff-necked, you murmur, you complain, and I want to kill you. He said, I will prosper you, and I will restore you, and I will heal you, and I will redeem you. Listen, for my name. Come on, clap them hands and scream hallelujah. No matter where you are right now in your life, I promise you, I guarantee you that you are coming out of your situation. Not for your name's sake, but for his name's sake. Clap your hands and thank God he's the manufacturer. You cannot fail in your business. And this is why if he told you to go to university, don't worry about tuition. If he told you to build a business, you have the ability. If he told you to build a church, you have the ability. If he told you to go into politics, you have the ability. If he told you to be a lawyer, you have the ability. If he told you to be a teacher, you have the ability. If he told you to build a school, you have the ability. Whatever he told you, he will do it for his name. Somebody scream hallelujah.